Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Fasting Tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on me down here. You just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here, come here to dark mode, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, like you see it's going to change with us, so like dark mode like you see now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,